Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited to be bringing you my Christmas in July DIY collab. I have teamed up with several ladies to bring you a couple different DIYs that are great to use at Christmas time, but now in July. So there will be a playlist linked down below, so make sure you check out all the ladies that are participating. I can guarantee you there is going to be a ton of inspiration for you for the upcoming holiday season. So I am going to be making a little sign because it is what I do. I love making signs. I am using this cheese board from Dollarama. This was, I believe, $4. I have a different setup on the back. I was originally going to buy a new one, but then I thought, well, why not just use the back of it? I'm not using it for anything else. So I'm repurposing, well, not repurposing, just using it another way. And then I'm going to use acrylic paint in Christmas green, in black, and in deep red. So you need some paintbrushes. Oh, and I also am using some white chalk paint by Rust-Oleum. I'm still having a hard time finding this brand's white acrylic paint. The dollar stores still don't have them. And then I also have two stencils that I will be using. This one was cut with Cricut, and then this one was cut with a heating tool, stencil heating tool, I think it's called. My friend made this one for me. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this board with black acrylic paint, and I'm going to completely cover it. Yesterday over on my home channel, I shared Christmas in July home tour. So if you haven't had a chance to see it, head on over to that channel. I have it linked down below, and it's just called Domestic Diva Home, where I will be showcasing and displaying most of the DIYs that I make on this channel, since I make most of them for my home decor. And that's what that channel is all about: home decor and cleaning and decorating. Okay, so that is fully covered. I'm going to let this dry, and then when it's dry, I'm going to add my stencils on it. So this had some time to dry, and now I'm going to do a little bit of a lines on here for just to give the board a little bit more dimension. Just about done with this. Paint's still kind of working through it. See, I'm not crazy about the way it looks. With that, I'm gonna try and use my, actually I might do my white, if I find it, chalkboard marker. I'm just going to use a bit of a sander just to smooth it out a little bit, blend it in. Okay, now I'm going to stencil on my Merry Christmas, and for that I'm gonna go with my off-white, my Annie Sloan original. It's a little messy, but I will clean it out with some black paint. And then I'm going to put Christmas right here. So I'm just going to tighten up the lines a little bit, and I'm going to try and use my white marker for that. So now I'm going to do the truck. I just want to make sure that it fits properly. I think this is the best fit. Okay, so for the tires, I'm going to go with white. Okay, and then for the rest, I'm gonna go with red. There we go. I think that turned out pretty good. And I'm just going to take my black and tighten up the lines again. Okay, so that's that. And now I'm going to paint on a little Christmas tree with my green paint. I hope I do a pretty good job. I'm not the greatest painter. There we go. I think that looks really good. So here it is. I think this turned out really nice. I love the little red truck. It is one of my favorite elements of decorating for Christmas. And I would like to thank everybody that had joined me in this collab. Make sure to check out the playlist because you're gonna get inspired from all the different DIYs for this Christmas in July. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified for all my upcoming videos. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.